I drive set for park up. Right now, everything have a straight. The way on the eat me now make my money go down the blood clot drain. So me now drive on the road with blood clot my car looking like that. No have no tax registration, nothing. Blood clot. Come on, man. You can't ever find my key. Why do not worry? Me are orange a blood clots. We don't see that. We don't see the speed when we depend in a foreign. No time to waste. Do or die. Check if I put them in this. We have no time to waste for you. You're slow in the blood clot, but you come on live like you have a tag in your mouth. Thinking fancy, go look a brand new passage. But you all are got dead. Yeah, me see live. Somebody send more live. Oh, so good fancy and one dirty nasty thinking and Batman and him Kiki. Kiki, you're hungry. Kiki, Batty selling done pan you. Can't call my blood clot name. Me do better than all I know they are from Jesus was a boy. All I know. Lock the door good enough. You robbery going and must somebody in here so. I'm a fully bad. Me no grab bag. Move on a blood clot. But that's true. Some guys say I'm a big idiot. Girl, you know where to find my work. You know where to find. Big idiot, girl. I don't want no girl to see me at all. I made fancy. Bingo eat you. Bingo eat you run stippy. You look a face shrivel up no blood clot. And we are ramp with so good work. Eh? We are ramp with Oradora. Girl with the rotten thinking sense. The eggy thinking touchy sense. Now follow me up. I never slide nothing in your blood or. Oh, yeah, call up my name, girl, my bingo, me have me. Tonight is Kitty night, and we're outside. Kitty is your night tonight. The whole of my bingo player them every night tonight go get a night. Summer, where do you when you win, you not get your money? Summer, where do you when time you win? 400 and how much dollar? You not get your money, Summer? Summer, you not as my witness, so me pay the woman her 620. You know as witness me pay that woman there 620. Eh? But now come talk about me owe one woman 600 and me was a no blood clot till I don't owe nobody. Bad mind no have. Everybody get paid. Then come here now. Me I play bingo every night with somebody when a blood clot pay me my money. True. That's even a whole up no more argument with so cocky who know. I go like me need blood clot company for angle your crush up face blood clot. Me need company for angle you. And that me and Mickey and do. Yeah. Me I try catch a post office before it closes. The blood clot. Fancy! Zoom! Zoom, fancy, zoom blood clot in. What do your whole face ugly girl? Dirty fuck out to where Peter gave from blood clot. What house? Where you follow me for work? Through my bingo game. All when time I drop bingo 100 days and come back today, my board I go full. Come a pee out. Go okay. See summer here, you owe summer. You owe summer. Go pay summer fancy pay. You owe summer. Go and pay summer money shit house. You come and bring down my name. Everybody hate you in a bingo. Everybody hate you in a bingo. You hate the good girl because the girl come to you say, Mama, I make $2,000 today now. I'm going to make $3,000 today now. You start hate the woman fancy. Remember, they said the hate come from with me and you. When you tell us I make $4,000 when I'm down at Jamaica, one day make $4,000. And you said to me, them time they at Jamaica me there. And you said to me, say, my mother sell car, mother buy car China and sell it, you know. If you want a car, me can make you get it. So cocky fancy pee. Is that a lie or is it the truth? Let me tell you how the blood clot badness go now. My friend named Chin. Sherry's. Me did a babysit my friend baby. I'm a some little fubble double go out in the house because me have thin skin. I'm a Sagittarius. And you me see a face screw up to blood clot much and me stay with you, me take it personal. So you know what me do? Same time I there, I mean I say I don't know what for going as blood clot and feeling me and my people but me not a link with them. I'm a go so boob. But then on my phone and I see you fancy call me. Out of nowhere you call me fancy. And when you call me say blood clot. You know some day I keep my friend baby and I don't like how she move. Because the first pay me get, I never like how the pay stay. Me not stay here so. That me tell you no or. And you go up on the phone and you link up money. Who thief $10 bag of weed? You a fucking cokehead girl. So good girl. Is that stage girl look? Somebody tag money slave banner or whatever slave and film there. Money slay and come reason with blood clot we you so. Me a good girl and set me name down at that. Where you say, me left a good clean name in a blood clot Monique house. And a me left Monique house because I like people. And I can't stay around people too long. Where you say, no girl no put me out or. No girl don't put me out. Because if you help me no stroke your face around me dog shit, come here go feel away. And know that to me is a Sagittarius. Me easily pick up on a blood clot. Where you say, put up who? You want to see mama, I go lick on with me things them when me get me apartment. Then I ask Christ. Because fancy, when they a long time and I make no sense in a foreign. You know I make no sense more than you just walk a bad mind every girl we a try. What do you fancy? What do you dirty whore? What do you shape, stay bad, shrivel up face woman? I doubt if you read 40. With a face like yours, I would sit on it. Me now walk up and down a room with them the face the way you have, girl. You should do a thing like this. Sit on it. Sit on that blood clot head where God show up on your body and say, come here, you swine, hold this, I can't wait. You're going to let me never blood clot, tell you summer. You tell you, say, me not gear it. Take no man, them I share a friend them a bomb rush me over there with the board and thing and me I say, show me the bid. Reset the board. You not do it. So if you get paid, you can't get paid from me. You have to show me how I lose my money so good fancy, then you get paid. You're brighty. What you mean if post office far? Some work hard for my blood clot money and some girl feel like say a joke thing with me thing. I go like a bingo make me do this. Me been a hold my butter before bingo occur, youth. Need a water. I need a bottle of water. All in the team up on a still stink. I chew me a top and I tell a lie. King and queen stink. I want another girl, you know. And I want big dirty boy. Boy with think. Stinking peaky, look at you. Go beard. You're the next one who are your dirtiest, nastiest, lowest life batty man you be. Thanks. UK shorty, I don't understand when they say my tattoo look bad. Look bad in terms of when something bad it can't write. So me not understand that. Talk with sense. Let me answer you because I have answer to everybody question or to anybody argument. Oh, can UK shorty, you know, it's a blood clot boiling pot this right now upstairs. Good. Like nobody so dirty blood clot, regular 11 and dusty 7. What you know? Pan the live look dusty. Dirty. Summer say add, wait, remember add summer. When me see girl I try, every turn and I try fight blood clot. You wanna fight me for? Why are you fighting me? Listen.
What happened now? And done this. I mean,
No fancy pee.
What happened?
After yesterday, me asleep, you know, and Kitty wait, call me and wake me and say, me over body and I win. Come over there, come drop 2 number. Say, who anybody and I'm not playing anybody, you know, cause anybody no support them. So same time she send me the live and say, me can't see her page because it's private. So Kitty make she answer my request and everything and me end up go over there. As me go over there, here's so good fancy pay. Body and I make sure I make them send them money, you know, because they walk around people. So me say stinking fancy pay. Nobody no rob nobody but you.
But that me walk and rob them because enough for them me or enough for them me or I'm tell them already me not pay them. So you know matter.
But also to beat up our chest when me tell her brother in partner like to buy 14 and 6. Stinking out and get back your money. Oh, me forgot tell her so good girl.
Yeah, but either way, what I'm saying
is girl, make she up on the life pay you because she have a girl with the Jeremy. I have a friend at Jeremy and I lose my money. So good girl, we are ramp with. We are ramp with thinking that is that fancy.
But I'm trying to figure out how the argument come up and then you're saying how you know pay people. The girl got paid. It's one person, something happened and bumbleclot. And you end up paying her money, and then somebody, even though it was the same thing, that's what I told you. The girl was saying that wasn't her for real plane, and I believe that wasn't her plane.
I feel not be see. Listen, me have a conversation. Listen up, summer. I feel not be see when all the $100 me sent blood clot.
Because jeez, either way, listen to what I'm saying though, because when I was doing bingo before, a lot of them used to make and in the bingo people, them, a lot of them used to make page.
Same fucking page there. What do you, summer? You think me an idiot?
You show me that too.
She up on a screen record when she come play at 160. She up on a screen record to play bingo in another Davia bingo name there. What do you? What?
Jeez, you know the post was you know where I go. You know the post.
Me have only for time. 6. Yeah.
Post office by you close 6. Let me just reach post office and them close. My whole thing is, I'm just saying though, is the fact that this talk come up. You
exactly, and I go for live and I call up my name and I tell people like, me I ask you now, the woman with the $620 type of that woman. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, my fucking cash up was maxed out, right? Okay, thank you. So
yeah, but I end up paying her. We did pay her though, because I gave her.
That's what I'm saying. People send me life. I don't owe nobody no money. So why you nobody not even a cent.
Yeah, well, if you know, you pay. So why you
have to beat up my chest because them are destroy my blood clot, bingo blood clot. That's you know.
But they cannot. They don't play with you though. You have your people. Exactly. You're the only person bingo when I have to go support people.
Send them life to me. So that's why anything some of them to take it. Yeah, because you don't play with me. I don't want me to come play with you all the while. So me I go get back your support. People can't take them support anywhere.
Yeah, but listen, one person in a bingo right now, me, and she get our money. And that's it. Anybody else? They already went on somebody's life. I was playing with somebody and they go up on personal life and say, oh, someone up here. Me know who me not pay. I mean not pay them. I mean tell them all the
So
time.
this morning, I $90 more here. Red Bull PS price, I said 2.
Yeah,
She
but you
be
don't need
like,
to beat
she
up your
be owe
chest.
me
You
110.
know, you
I'm
don't
going to
need
go
to
over there
go
go pay
live arguing.
250,
If they want to talk,
350, plus
jeez.
me the owe $50, 400 that. Take away, well I know, take away
Yeah, but what
150
I'm
from
telling
that,
you
the food.
is
What
stop.
on?
Cheers.
Yeah, man. Huh? Yeah,
Stop. You don't
yeah.
need to be beating up your chest. You know who you pay and you know who you're not pay. And conversation done. When you're playing bingo, your life don't have so much people. It don't make sense. Like, let them go ahead
Hey,
and
my man,
talk.
don't have come all them sauce.
Just let
Yeah,
whoever
some
want to
party
talk,
man where
talk.
they a
They
long
said
time
it with
and now make
me.
sense enough for good. I'm gonna give blood clot people to do right. People need time. I'm going to need to take a page out of my blood clot book. It house. Only feel like I'm not come and find come soon that make sense. I don't want there on a girl when I make no sense. Laughing. The energy when me want
Yeah, well, you don't
is
need
the
to be
energy when
worrying
me
up
there on
yourself. You
people.
don't need
When them are
to...
do things and I'm motivated.
Yeah, but you don't have to. You don't have to argue. You already said what you do. You said, okay, whoever you owe, you're not pay. That's it. If you don't want to pay them, you know what I'm paying. It's end the story. You come in and beat up your chest for what reason? They cannot stop. They cannot stop your thing. You already know. It's the same thing with me. I don't do bingo. I came back. I did it for like 2 days and I blocked everybody back.
The post
I'm not
office
doing it.
and me go write up the things them. Then go come back live when time I don't come here. I need my phone to get them order. Don't way. Me
No,
not
done
done. I
this.
come in
Done.
right
Done
back.
it. Done it. Done it.
When time
Done it.
people disturb me
Done
spirit,
it.
then
Done
get
it.
the
You're gonna
right side
report
of
your
me.
life every
I'll
time
be
you come
back.
back.